Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I am demonstrating how you can open Arabic file in Excel. Okay, from the point of this sales system, any file if you generate for Excel, and how we can open properly with Arabic written fonts in Excel. Let's see how we can do this. Suppose here, for example, you are generating any report and transferring the data into the Excel. I am using profit loss report. Okay, I am just running this report, and this report in front of you, and I am generating this report in Excel by clicking this button, export to Excel. Okay, system will ask you the file name you are generating. For example, I am putting it into the D drive root, okay, in front of you with this name file. Okay, and the file is saved, and we can see this file in the D drive. As you can see here, the file is here. Okay, and you can see that in Word, in the notepad it is written good, but when I double click open it for Excel, I can see that there is a problem in Arabic written fonts. Okay, so Arabic written is showing some garbage characters, and how we can make it correct so we can see, and we can see the proper Arabic written fonts. For this purpose, what you have to do, you just have to save this file as in the notepad by just right clicking here, and you can open with notepad. Okay, and then you can save this file as, for example, in the D drive. Okay, with this name, put any other name, and make sure that UTF-8 is selected, and you are saving this file as notepad. Okay, in the same drive. Close this. Okay, and as you can see, this is a new file. Okay, and run the Excel. Okay, and open this file, from open menu, and select the location and choose all files, and this is your written notepad file that you generated from your CSV or Excel file. Okay, you just press open and select the delimited, not fixed, or delimited option. Okay, this option is here, delimited. Press next and put here comma. Okay, comma separated file, because this is the CSV that the system is generating and opening into the Excel. But with the Arabic font, we are unable to understand these fonts due to some garbage characters is showing, as you can see in the preview. Now it's correct. Click next button, finish, and now you can see that proper Arabic font is coming. I hope so you understand how we can generate, how we can transfer normal data to Excel, and how we can open it for Arabic. But for the English, you don't need to do this. It is always good. But for Arabic, you can do this procedure to save your file in Excel and properly readable for you. Thank you very much. Take care.